Waffle Cake and Playhouse Incorporate SK Logo Bloopers 3. Oh my god, I didn't know this was the third episode. Let's just take one. I'm gonna record this on Screen Active this time. I might copy Logo's channel. Just take one. Cut. Why are you mirrored? It's not gonna be called Vietnam. It's gonna be called Waffle Cake and Playhouse Incorporated SK. And you're not allowed to use Kind Master. Oops, I'm very sorry. Take two. Cut. Wait, that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is that called? It's called Kind Master. A pentagon. I'm really scared of pentagons. Take three. Oh yeah, it's gonna be called Waffle Cake and Playhouse Incorporated SK. Just take two. Cut. It's not going to be called Splat from Klasky Chupo. It's gonna be called Waffle Cake and Playhouse Incorporated SK. Not Splat from Klasky Chupo. It's gonna be called Waffle Cake and Playhouse Incorporated SK logo. Take 4. Cut. Why do you have to be like that? G major 2. It's not gonna be called G major 2. It's Waffle Cake and Playhouse Incorporated SK logo. Just take 5. No, cut. Why is there so much blue and so much clones and all that kind of stuff? But I guess that could be, it's gonna be called Waffle Cake and Playhouse Incorporated SK logo. Take 6. No. Cut. It's not supposed to be, like that. It's supposed to have it normal. And look, see that blue thing right there? Oh no, that's not good. Well, take 7. What? Cut. You're not allowed to have no voice. And you're not supposed to use the Klasky Chupo music. You're supposed to use your own music. It kind of sounds like the Windows 95 start, but it's super ultra extremely echoed. It's gonna be called Waffle Cake and Playhouse Incorporated SK logo. Take 8. Whoa! Cut. Why did you bring out Raps and Robin from Lazy Town? It's not gonna be called Raps and Robin from Lazy Town. It's gonna be called Waffle Cake and Playhouse Incorporated SK. Why did you bring up the Klasky Chupo error and I see the Viacom V of Doom? Alright, Waffle Cake and Playhouse. Now we're going to do the last one. But this is a warning, Waffle Cake and Playhouse. What is it? If you screw up one more time in a row, you're fired. You understand? This is your warning. If you screw up one more time in a row, Waffle Cake and Playhouse Incorporated SK. If you screw up one more time, you're fired. Alright, take the last one. That's cut. That's it. Waffle Cake and Playhouse Incorporated SK. You're fired. Get out of the studio right now. I was just trying to show you the voice of the Klasky Chupo. Oh, forget it. Time to put you out. There. He's gone. See you later, peeps.